Hi everyone, I'm so elated to have you here. I hope you're all having an amazing day or night. Welcome or welcome back. Today's video, we're excited to share with you how we have turned our small boring porch area into a welcoming space with simple and extremely budget-friendly ideas and decorations for this front porch makeover. We love taking you along with us as we shop and look for what we need for our makeovers to also give you the ideas to where and how much are the products we use for our makeovers. I'm all about saving money and was so happy that my husband and I was able to achieve the look that I wanted for our small front porch. From our DIYs of painting the floors, laying bricks we already had to create more space, installing leftover turf grass from our backyard makeover, planting palm trees, and of course decorating and styling it, which you will see throughout this video. I am overjoyed with how it turned out and we hope you guys also like it too and get tons of ideas as we go. We also want and need to paint the whole exterior of the house, but for the meantime, this front porch makeover will suffice while we save for that makeover. Here you will see my husband lay some bricks that we've already had and also power wash our front doors. A part of this video is in collaboration with TreatLife. Our house is a home we love to be in and we love taking care of it, as it is a place we spend most of our life in as we rest, relax, and have fun. It is extremely important for us to not only make our house a place we love to call home, but also in protecting it. For today's video, TreatLife has sent us their 5 megapixel Ultra HD 5G Wi-Fi security camera that is suitable for outdoor and indoor use. This camera is crystal clear with its 3K resolution of 5 megapixel Ultra HD with HDR. You can immerse yourself in an unparalleled 5 megapixel clarity and HDR technology that effortlessly balances light for stunning detail. You can control it hands-free with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for quick and easy access to your footage. What's awesome about this camera is that you can pan out 355 degrees and 100 degrees tilt with its AI tracking, or you can also manually adjust the camera to where you want to view from the outside of your home or from the inside, depending on where you want the camera to be. It is not just like any other security camera that just stays in one direction. With this camera, you can navigate the direction as to where you want to view, and it even has 3 times digital zoom. With its intelligent AI tracking, it ensures nothing escapes your attention, while advanced motion detection distinguishes between humans and vehicles, eliminating false alarms. Its flexible storage and dual-layer privacy can save bandwidth and storage without compromising quality. Choose from local storage options that are up to 256 gigabytes or a secure cloud subscription. Their H.265 video encoding can save up to 50% of storage space, offering users a more efficient storage solution. This security camera and its dual frequency Wi-Fi support. This camera supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual frequency Wi-Fi, ensuring a more stable and interference-free connection experience that is helpful in transmitting high-resolution video and ensures that you get clear footage from your security camera. With its powerful spotlight function and ultra-compact design equipped with 12 spotlights, capable of producing a brightness of up to 500 lux. This simply means of how well this camera can capture video on low light. This camera is suitable not only for nighttime illumination, but also provides powerful assistance to users during security alerts. Its advanced color night vision, the security camera has powerful lighting and enhanced audio. Experience superior night vision with an ultra-sensitive starlight sensor and f1.6 aperture. Enjoy two-way audio audio, customizable alarms, and AI-powered sound detection for a comprehensive audible and visual connection. With its robust all-weather design, this camera is built to provide continuous surveillance, whether rain or shine. We love that we can stay connected on the go with real-time footage access through their free app or web browser. TreatLife smart home products provide a new way to experience daily life, one that's both intelligent and simple. Enjoy powerful control and convenient features no matter where you are. Because loving and maintaining our home is also protecting it with this new smart home cameras. I will provide TreatLife's info and links on the description box below in case if you are interested. Thank you TreatLife for partnering with me for part of this video. Now onto the continuation of the front porch makeover. We are extremely happy to be able to share with you how we have achieved to make over the small front porch space, and we hope you get tons of ideas and enjoy the video. Please continue watching till the end to see how we have done so and for the final reveal. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope you enjoyed this front porch makeover and was able to get tons of ideas and how to also upgrade your front porch with what we shared in this makeover. Don't forget to show some love by giving this video a huge thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, I hope today you consider doing so. My passion is to inspire and help motivate you with the contents I share, from my room makeovers, DIYs, decorating ideas, how-tos, hauls, clean with me, and so much more. If that is your cup of tea, I would love to have you be part of the Glam family. And for my returning Glam family, I sincerely appreciate you so much and continue to thank God for you for continued love and support. God bless you all abundantly, sending you all air hugs and blowing kisses your way. Bye!